quick reading for February the 5th to February the 6th, Virgo. We have the Ten of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, and the Queen of Cups. So, may mga shortcomings na si person. Hindi naman yan maaalis. Pero with all those shortcomings, ito yung mga araw na siguro mapapansin niya ay sumasobra naman ako, no? Siguro mapapansin niya, masyado ko naman yata nasaktan si person ko or masyado ko siyang na-deprive ng aking time, ng aking love, no? So, I think that your person's what's gonna do here is may bawi. Ibibigay niya yung mga mahirap ibalik yung missed times, no? Yung mga times na nag-slip. Pero what your person can do is to give you some quality time, also to make you feel that you are secured sa connection. Meron din dito mga pagkakataon na siguro yung communication nawawala. Hindi naman magiging excessive, pero ito yung masasabi mong, ay sapat naman tong time na binibigay niya sa akin for to communicate, no? Baka nga may mga pagkakataon sabihin mo, sa dali lang matutulog na ako, no? Ikaw na yung aayaw. So this is your quick reading, Virgo, for February the 5th to February the 6th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye.